Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In today's video we're going to be opening up the October Goddess Provisions box, and then afterwards we're going to open up some candles from Wick'd Hemp Candle Co. I'm super excited to see what's in there, and I feel like Goddess Provisions will be really good this month. I don't know, I just have a feeling. So Goddess Provisions is $33 a month. There's always a theme, and everything inside kind of revolves around spiritual stuff. I don't know how to describe it. You'll see soon. It's one of the most unique boxes I get, and I really do enjoy it. So I will link all of this down below. So before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. It means so much to me. So yeah, back to Goddess Provisions. So this is one that ships worldwide. It is free shipping in the US, but if you live elsewhere, there will be a shipping charge depending on where you live, and you get 5 to 7 items each month, and they say everything is cruelty free. Am I holding this upside down? Wow. And also everything is vegan, and for every box sold they plant a tree. Love that. So let's get open. It seems packed. Really is packed, like very neatly too. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. I just filmed a really large unboxing before this, and I got something of a similar nature that I got in here, and I was saying how I get so excited when I see it, but I won't ruin the surprise yet. So I'm just taking everything out because the information sheet's usually in the bottom, and every month they feature a new artist to create their art on this little handout here, which I love. So inside it'll tell you all about the items inside along with pricing, and for a lot of the items you get a promo code too, and there's a monthly mantra. So how about we go over that? Well, first let me tell you the theme. The theme for October is shadow work, and our monthly mantra is I shine brightest when I embrace my shadow. Very fitting. And then on the back of this it'll tell you more about the subscription, how they have a Moon Wisdom Club. We talked about how they planted a tree. They love recycling. Their boxes are made from 100% recycled material. Love that. They have a Refer a Goddess program and an artist love. And the artist of the month who created this beautiful artwork, I'm just loving the purple, is Emily Michala on Instagram at ink.and.earth. You guys can just ask me if you want to see it, but I think that's great. And yeah, let's get started. So how about we start off with this? Not sure what this is. I'll show it to you quick. Oh, is this a temporary tattoo? I'm trying to look at the back of it. This is a collaboration with Inkbox from Now Ink Tattoo. And on here it says no mud, no lotus. Yeah, it is. Oh, cool. So they give you everything you need to do it, and along with instructions. There's also a video link. You can go and watch it. And it even tells you how long the tattoo will last based on where you put it. And if you want more of a fresh look or a faded look. So here's a biodegradable primer wipe. And the tattoo looks like it's this pretty flower. I don't want to take it out because I'm not sure if you have to use it right away when you do. Hopefully you guys can see. I was just saying this in my other video. I don't know why I keep saying that. I don't know what video is going up first, but my lighting is further back. Like my ring light is usually attached to my camera, so it's more like natural lighting in here, but I'm not sure if things I'm showing you are going to be different than usual. Anyway, so this is $16, and this temporary tattoo is designed by At Nothing Wild Tattoo for times of growth and transformation. The lotus symbolizes rebirth and change, while the amethyst crystals are soothing and stress relieving. With skin-safe, cruelty-free ingredients, your tattoo will last for 1 to 2 weeks. You guys, where should I put this? Whatever the most, the top answer is, the most frequent response, that's where I will put it. So let me know. What you guys say, but I'll do it. I don't know if I can show you, because I might get kicked off YouTube. Hit me up in my DMs. Slide in my DMs. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking. Next up, ooh, is this chocolate? Coffee Crunch and Cardamom Antidote Chocolate That Loves You Back. 73% slow roasted cacao. And this is the prettiest chocolate packaging ever, and I can't wait. It has coffee in the name. Yes. Coffee and cardamom? Sounds amazing. Kakia, or Kakia, I don't know if I'm saying that right, is the wicked Greek goddess of vice. Strong and passionate, Kakia's, I feel like it's not Kakia, she's a goddess, Kakia. Kakia's zest for life is the antidote to passivity. Cardamom and high altitude Arabica coffee conjures her powers of seduction and whets your shameless appetite. Oh, you go. Oh, I can hear my cat start to cry. It's like almost sunset. That's when they like come to life. This chocolate is $7, and I forgot to mention that for the ink box item, you can get 25% off. There's a coupon code for their website, and for this chocolate, there's a 15% off code. So if you guys want any of the codes, just leave a comment down below. But how about we talk about the item I kind of referred to earlier, and it's a candle. Love candles so much. And this is actually it's specifically made, specially made for God's Provisions, Zenden candles. And oh, and it says crystal candle, and it's clean burning. Oh, if it looks like what it does in the picture, this really does look like a crystal. Cool. Oh, if it's too pretty to burn, I'll still burn it. Ooh, this is so pretty. It looks like amethyst. Like, really. I hope you guys can see the detail on this. I feel like I should have turned my lights up more. Hopefully you guys can see. It doesn't seem really fragranced. This is $15, and it says, in true clustered gemstone fashion, this candle will radiate balancing energy into your sacred space, allow the iridescent shimmer and flickering flame to light your way through shadow work. And there is a coupon code here for 20% off zendencandles.com. This is so pretty. Next item, trying to figure out what it is before I even open it. Ooh, so this is our like stone of the month. This is black kyanite, and it says, shadow work can illuminate a tendency towards harmful attachments. Use this healing stone to cut cords and toxic ties with ease and tranquility. This is unique. I don't have anything like this. And I can't remember if I said this. It has a $4 value. And I'll talk about the digital bonus, because I was about to say, I don't know much about shadow work. What I love about the subscription, well, I love a lot of things, but one thing I love is that it comes with like a digital workbook, so it has like learning activities with it, and I love that. So the digital bonus this month is the gold in our shadows, and it says, begin or deepen your shadow work with Ganga Devi Braun. Access guidance on how to prepare and perform an empowering ritual of shadow integration. And it gives you the website and how to do this, and it has a $33 value. And I'm so glad they have this in here, because I don't really know what this shadow work is. Like, I'll just be honest. But now I get to learn about a whole new thing, and I love that. Maybe just like my background, I've been in school forever and stuff. I just love learning new things, and like totally brand new like this. So cool. We have 2 things left, it looks like. Next up, this is by Goddess Provisions, and it says it's the Lotus Flower Shadow Caster Tea Light Candle Holder. Nice. I have a bunch of tea light candles I haven't been using because I haven't had anything cute to put them in. This has an $11 value. So cute. So it looks like there's 2 pieces. Put it together. I love this. Isn't this so pretty? So, honor your shadow and celebrate its beauty. Place a tea light in the center of this shadow caster and witness the dancing shadow of a lotus flower. Meditate on the non-dualism of light and dark, how one does not exist without the other. So cool. I'm gonna light this later. I love it. And then last thing, I'm not sure what this is, but it looks really pretty. Oh cool, it's a Cosmic Collage Balanced Tote Bag. It has a $35 value, and there's a 25% off code. Look how pretty this is. I did not expect this to be a tote bag. I'm happy it is. I don't think I have any tote bag that's like art looks this beautiful. The back is the same. Cool. And on the inside it says the 2 brand names that collaborated, so God's Provisions and then Cosmic Collage. Is that what it is? It's just open. Oh, there's a little card down here, probably their business card or something. yeah, a cosmic collaboration of goddess provision and cosmic collage. And then it talks about balance. Balance, there's a transmutable energy within yourself. There are two sides constantly pushing and pulling. The world will challenge you and the darkness will take over. Allow yourself to feel into the darkness. It is part of you. The world will bless you and you will feel the lightness. Do not take this lightness for granted. It cannot exist without the darkness. The grace of the balance of both is up to you. I love that. This is awesome. You guys, I thought that was a great box. What do you think? I love everything and I can't wait to learn about the shadow stuff. Like, I understand what a shadow is, but you know, the whole like balancing thing now I'm just kind of making more sense in my head. Like, I can't wait to go on there and learn more about it and how to use my new items and stuff. So again, they will be linked down below. If you subscribe now, you'll get the November box, I believe, and their boxes do sell out like every single month because they're so good. And now let's open up these candles. So they reached out to me and kindly sent these candles my way, and again, it's the Wick'd Hemp Candle Co, and I thought it would just be a good video to open it in. God's provision, Wick'd Hemp candles. They did provide a code to save 10% off, and this is valid until the end of the month, so the 31st. And they offer all natural soy wax candles, and they're domestically grown soybeans, it says. 100% natural organic hemp wicks. Our candles are made with phthalate-free, skin-safe fragrance oils, making their candles among the cleanest burning candles you'll find in the market. And I believe I read this is a woman-owned business too. I didn't know they had good stories. I want some more candles. I'm making candle heaven today. Yeah. And they asked me like what scents I would like, and I'm like, I like them all, so I'm excited to see what they picked out. Ooh, right on top I see a note for me. And everything is packaged really well, and there's fragile stickers on the box, so got here safely it looks like. And they offer several different things, like they have wax melts, candles, like oils and stuff like that. Again, they'll be linked down below. You could check out their whole entire website. The candles are wrapped super cute. So I have in here, it looks like 2 candles, and then, ooh, this sounds so good. Looks like there's like diffuser mix. Oh my gosh, is this something to put in? One second, let me get this all open and then I'll tell you. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love reed diffusers. Let's start off with this. I didn't expect this to have like little... And if I can find these exact products on their website, I'll put the pricing or like their specific links too on the screen and down below. But we have a reed diffuser kit here. So this is what the bottle looks like. So it has this pretty charm on it. Hopefully you can see. So you just take this top part off and then you'll put the fluid in, whatever, you know, the oil. And this is pumpkin chai. So this is made with pumpkin, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, and cream. Hand poured in San Jose, California. And then we have our reed diffusers here. Let's just do it now. I'll leave this in here. That's okay. I have a pumpkin candle going downstairs. So it just smells like fall here, and I am loving it. And nice. They have like a pour bottle that's easy to do. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just love fall scents. Yeah, this is super easy to do. I'm just gonna put it all in. Someone's probably watching like, don't do it all at once. I should repurpose this little bottle. This is nice. And then we have our reed diffusers. Oh, I'm so excited. It smells so good, you guys. And after like 24 hours, like it'll be in the reeds and smell even better, like further. I love this. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. I can't wait to see the candles now, so let's open this. Ooh, this one's called Sunday Morning. Oh, all of their products seem to have this like pretty little ornament, or what would you call it? I like it. So the fragrance notes of Sunday Morning are amber, gardenia, jasmine, and lilac. And again, 100% grown U.S. soybean wax, all natural hemp wick, vegan, phthalate-free, hand poured in San Jose, and get 8.5 ounces in here. I can't wait to smell it. Oh my god, it smells so good. Can I light this on a Sunday evening? That's why I am filming this. Oh my gosh. I can't stop. It smells so good, you guys. It's like floral, but not like overpowering. Like, you know how some things seem like, they're probably like more like fake floral things I'm thinking in my head. They're like strong and just not that good. This just smells like so good. And it is like uplifting and like nice and pleasant, like a Sunday morning should be. I'm happy right now. Yes. Now we have one more candle. Ooh, this one is their coconut twist candle. The fragrance notes are coconut, lime, and pineapple sage. Whenever I see sage, I usually love it, whatever it is. Again, it has that pretty little ornament. Is that the word? I don't know. I want to eat it almost. It smells so good. Gosh, I wish you guys can smell it. I'm so glad they have the exact fragrance notes on here, so I don't have to like try and explain. I'd be like, it's coconut, but not. It smells like, you know, it really does have that pineapple, and it smells so good. It's like a tropical vacation, but like with a twist. Oh, okay, did I just get that in my head because it's called coconut twist? I thought it was really clever for a second. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love it all. Oh my god, all three. I didn't even tell them what I like. I love it all. This is so good. I am in a good mood. I liked everything I opened today. Before this, I opened 7 boxes in one video. This is just a good day in my world. Well, I'm gonna go light a candle. I don't know what you guys are gonna do, but you should go check out these websites and get some. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and opening all of these items with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Of course, like I've already said multiple times, everything will be linked down below along with any promo codes. And yeah. Thank you guys, and thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn about the perks and also join. I would absolutely love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.